I'm Zhang, and this is Finance Mandarin Masterclass. Who is Uncle Liu? President Xi Jinping said Liu He is a very important person to him. Liu is a vice premier of the State Council and director of the leading group for finance and economic affairs. He gave a speech at Davos in January 2018. Have you ever imagined that you could understand Chinese leaders' speech in Mandarin on economic reform issues? What are they really talking about? How do they project themselves? What kind of wordings do they use? And how about their accents? When you can listen and catch the essence of the leader's words, you will be able to make better judgments and decisions. Now, equipped with our proprietary technology, I am so proud to introduce Finance Mandarin's new learning solution, Finance Mandarin Authentic Leaders. Please join us to better understand China's political landscape.